Hello and welcome to Brand New Vegan. This is Chuck and today we're making some onion rings. Yes, O-rings are one of my favorites. These are not those greasy, nasty things you get in a restaurant. No, these are baked, no oil, no fat onion rings. You're going to love them. So here we go. I got some ingredients. I got a recipe. I got an onion, naturally. And there's some apple cider vinegar, some spices, a little nutritional yeast. There's some arrowroot. You can use cornstarch. Got some cornmeal. Now these are the breadcrumbs I buy. These are the panko. And they are fat-free. They have absolutely no oil, no fat at all. And I get these at my Fred Meyer / Kroger. So we're going to need some almond milk. And what we're going to do is we're going to add a little bit of that apple cider vinegar to the almond milk. And it kind of makes like a fake buttermilk. And that's what we want to soak our onions in. So, yeah, watch this and then don't do this. This was my screw up. So I got my onions all peeled up and I put them in that bowl thinking this was going to be perfect for the buttermilk. But it doesn't cover the onions. Dum-dum. So, yeah, let's start over. This is what you want to do. Get a shallow pan and put your onions in it. And then pour the buttermilk on top. And we want to let these soak for about an hour. Okay? So while that's soaking, we can go ahead and make the flour mixture that you see there and the breadcrumbs in the other pan. And then we're going to add that buttermilk to the flour and make a batter. So this is the tricky part. 2 hands. Right hand is the goopy hand. Left hand is the dry, clean hand. If you can remember that, it won't be so bad. Put them on your parchment lined tray over there. Yep, goopy. And then the left hand is the dry hand. And it works great. So I got a batch of these onion rings ready to go. That is my brand new air fryer. It's a Cuisinart. It's a toaster oven and does all kinds of fancy stuff. This will be the first time that anybody has seen it on YouTube. And this is my first. I've used it a couple times for French fries, but nothing like this. So this is an experiment here. I'm going to pop them in. I think I got it set for 350. And I got it set for 20 minutes. It didn't take that long. Oh, wait. Listen. Hear that? Yeah, they're kind of crunchy. They're good. They're really good. So you can also make these in the oven. And I'll have all the ingredients, the instructions down below in the link. And once again, we do one of these videos every single week, so come back next week, see what we're going to cook next. And until then, this is Chuck from Brand New Vegan. Thanks for watching.